Now construct again exercise 10.5 question number 2. Construct right angle triangle where hypotenuse is 6 centimeter and one leg is 4 centimeter. I will draw a rough sketch first. Now see, the name of the triangle has not been given to you. So, I will take a triangle PQR, no, triangle ABC. I will take triangle ABC where measurement of angle B is of 90 degree. Okay. Now, one leg. Okay. So, if B is there, AC will be your hypotenuse. So, AC is hypotenuse and that is of 6 centimeter, and BC will take, BC is of 4 centimeter. Okay. So, I will draw a rough sketch first. You can take any name, children, but make sure that the right angle triangle must be down. Okay. So, this is B, which is 90 degree. C, BC is of 4 centimeter and AC is of 6 centimeter. That means you have to draw construct angle 90 degree angle first and with the help of BC. As we have done in the previous previous one, first we have to draw 4 centimeter line segment, but make sure you extend the line segment towards the left hand side more. Okay. So, this B and C is given to you, and little bit extend this line segment so that you can construct an 90 degree. Okay. So, I have just extended the line BC, line segment BC, but this one is my 4 centimeter. Okay. BC is 4 centimeter. Now, with the help of protractor, I will construct a 90 degree angle on point P. So, how will I construct the 90 degree angle? First, I will draw 2 arc on the both side of the line segment. Sorry, you have to be very careful, children, rather than making any problem. Little bit construction માં થોડી ધ્યાન આપવાનું છે accuracy નું અને points નું. Now, I got 2 point. One is here, one is here. You don't need to mention any name to this point. Okay. Now, take a measurement more than this, okay, and construct an arc on the both side from these 2 points. This has been done in the class 6 as well. So, I am not going to repeat how you have to draw it. See, you will get a 2 arc and that arc has been intersected at this point. Now, don't give any name to this point, but construct an ray joining B with this point. So, I am constructing a ray, okay, and then it is made, this is my 90 degree angle. Now, this point is not A, children, that is just a point of intersection. So, you do not need to give any name to this. Now, you have to draw AC of 6 centimeter. So, first of all, take a measurement of AC 6 centimeter on the ruler. This is okay, this one is 6 centimeter. Yeah, that is exactly 6 centimeter. Okay. Now, keep C as a center and cut an arc on this point, on this angular ray. Okay, cut an arc on this angular ray, and that angle is, that point is your point A. This is your point A, children. Join this point C and A with the scale. So, your 6 centimeter segment is ready. You don't need to worry. You don't need to, and make this arc little bit lighter, children, so that you don't need to worry about this. Don't get confused with this thing. So, this is your AC of 6 centimeter and triangle ABC has been drawn according to the measurement.